guys, if you remember back to Monday, we began talking about the two sounds that OW can make. If you remember that story, W was a lonely letter and he wanted to be friends with the vowels. So he talked to O and he asked O, "Can we be friends? Let's hang out." And when they did, they began hanging out in the middle of a word. But the problem was is they were smushed. And when they got together, O and W said, ow. So when we see OW in the middle of the word, OW makes that ow sound because they were smushed together. So let's look at our words. Crowd, hour, hour, own, hour, brown, crowd, shower, tower, crown, flower, brown. They decided that they would move to the end of the word. And when OW was at the end of the word, they had lots more room. W was able to go to sleep and allowed O just to say her name, O. So at the end of a word, OW can sometimes make the O sound because W has gone to sleep. Bull, O, fool, O, sh, O, r, O. And this one down here that you can't see is follow. But now we have to remember that sometimes at the end of the word, W rolls over and hits O and makes that ow sound. So if you don't know, you have to try both sounds in the words. Ow, w, ow, n, ow, ch, ow, pl, ow. How, wow, now, chow, plow. Always remember that OW can make those two sounds, and especially at the end, if you don't know it, try both sounds and see which one makes the word correct.